No, I closed the gate. Let's try again. Who let the dogs out? Quack, quack. Ladies and gents, come on. Number 13. Give a big round of applause for Anglesey Rebels. Come on. Come on, do better than that. So, ladies and gents, as you can see, with the tide still out slightly, we're bringing the rafts down and they turn just by the yellow dock in the water. Rather than going underneath the arch of the pier, we're just bringing them down and then take them to the slipway. So the next raft, here it comes now. Anglesey Rebels. I'm sure the pastor David, who will give you a little bit of information. Take them there. Come on.
Yeah, so the Anglesey Rebels have been doing this for 13 years. This raft run has been going for years and years. Always well supported. Diolch yn fawr i chi gyd am wneud hynny. The girls here have won the trophy before. They're obviously going to win the trophy again this year. They are raising money for cancer research. Codi pres i cancer. Don't know how many are on the raft. Looks like it's about 8 of them on, maybe 10. But it's an all-girls team. Yeah, first ladies, they're going to win the trophy. And the girls here have got a table, so we're going to be more comfortable here.
Stay there now, you're not going to the edge. You see the boat?
Just bring them in now. Bring it in, girls. Come on, get out!
There you go.
She's done that. That's it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's very good. I thought it was Bangor Cathedral on it, to be honest, but there we are. I think that's far enough. They can turn now. Okay, they're turning in now. What a take. When they get nearer to us, give them a big cheer.
There's another one coming up. No.
Team Hemblas was the first team, and they did that in 55 minutes. They were hoping to raise £500 this year for the Ala Award in the Ysbyty Gwynedd. Okay, can you give them a big cheers, guys? I said it was an all-girl group. I think I'm mistaken. But there we are. That's the license I have. Don't be. Well done, Diane. Have we got another Raft up there? Nathaniel, what's this? Who's that? Is that a Raft over there? Oh, you can't see them back. Okay, well. Yeah. Oh, there's one here, look. What number's that? Number 3? Thank you. No. Come on! Give them some encouragement, guys. Well, yeah. I was still asleep then.
Yeah.
Okay, come on in, girls and boys. Big round of applause for them, please. Well done, from Deru. Bring them in, girls. Guys, come on in now. Turn left. Or is it aft and forward? I don't know. Starboard. Well done. I've got a mind, I know what I'm doing here on the sea. Yeah, well done. They obviously listened to me. Well done. Down, Pope!
Yeah. Look, the next Raft is right over there. You walk round and it's here,
Right go. Full flag ar y Raft yna. I'm not sure what money they're raising for. There's another raft coming down now. With the safety boats. Have we got the number of it?
Right.
This is number 12 coming in now. Got the Rebel Rejects. If you're a Rebel reject, being rejected from the Rebels, oh my lord. They were thrown off the Rebels apparently, and they're the rejects that are left. So they're doing really well. Yeah.
Is reject.
These are rejects, not the Rebel rejects.
Rebel, the further down drink Prosecco.
These are the rejects though. Right, Rebel rejects. Okay. So these are the Rebel rejects. On in. Who are you? This is Brondaru, come in here. At third. Okay, go get your drinks. I'm not sure you should be drinking though. Go for it. Well done, Brondero. Oh yeah? We got the, how are we just sorting the drinks out now? Come on, let's give him a big cheer, please. Come on. It was the 1 second there. Scotty, what time was Windy Millers? Have you got a time on them? "56 minutes, okay." Well done, Rebel Rejects! This race is in dedication of Maher Hughes, who is the original captain. Well done, you guys. I'm raising money for cancer research. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.
My shoulder is in bits just looking at that. Yeah.
Are we sorting the rafts up now? So we got number first as Henbus, second Windy Millers, number 11, number 3 Brondaru, and the fourth, just going up now to the slipway, is the Rebel Rejects. Warrior Mons, come on, give them a big round of applause, come on! Let's try it again, let's try! Who let the dogs out? I closed the gate, don't say that. So here they're coming through now. Our next draft. We'll give you some information on that just in a couple of minutes.
God, they are really spaced out. Last year they were quite close together.
27.
Yeah.
Is this the way to our mirror? Quite a take. Right, so we've got raft number 7 coming through.
How many people are on that? There's a lot. There's like 20 people on that. Is that the one that didn't have any seats? No, that was really long.
And there you can see in the distance the haunted house. You see it with a big tower. But in front of me here are the warriors, Mourn. It was built and designed by themselves. And they are called the Blue Tits Wild Water Ladies. No, honestly, that's what's written down here. It's on the page. You can come and check it if you want. I'm not making it up. So, and they've got various names on that raft. The Chief, KYG, Truffs, Soli Lad, Gandav, Bulbs, Diva and Nipples. Those are the, is that right? Whatever. Here is Mr. Colin and his entourage of sons coming down. Welcome. Yeah, bodyguards. Right, come on in now. These are the Blue Tits Wild Water Ladies coming in. And Warriors Mourn. Give them a big cheer, please. Come on, yo! It looks like hard work, doesn't it? It looks like hard work, but you've got perfect conditions for it. All you need is an outboard motor and some sails. The first year they were cave women apparently. Second year they were the minions. I can remember from last year they were brilliant. And this year they're warriors. They're cowboy warriors. They were dancing round the band in Felinheli. They are full of Prosecco. They're having a good time, and one of them lost their guns. Give them a cheer! Woo! Wanna take a look? Down! Go! Up to the slipway now, girls. Run up here, and then you can have your drink, tea or coffee. I can't see them going for that somehow. Well done, number 7. Warriors Mourn. Congratulations for the girls on board. Chief KYG, Truffs, Soli, Lad, Gwynda, Bulbs, Diva and Nipples. That's just what they're saying, that's what their name is. It's their nicknames. You can speak to them when they arrive. Right, what's the next one we go? Oh, we've got the haunted house coming in. Just looking at the Windy Millers who came in second. They did say right at the start they wanted to be first, but they come in second again, but a really great result. They've been doing that, Windy Millers, for about 15 years now. Well done to them. The haunted house is another thing altogether. It's a creation. The people on this haunted house, there's the Bride of Dracula, there's 2 zombies on there, there's the gatekeeper, a witch, a werewolf, a skeleton, and watch out for the smoke effect. Hopefully when they come in there'll be a flashbang smoke when they come into the finish. 12 years of rafting, they're raising money for cricket dementia, and they are the cricket starlight players. Well done you guys, well done. Great raft, and you've won the prize for the most entertaining and best dressed raft in the competition. There you are, haunted house. No, doing nothing. Okay. Any more rafts coming in, or can you see? No, not at the moment. It's my turn to go to the bar. Do we have to pay?
Right, I've now finally managed to get Mr. David Hardy to buy me a pint of beer. Now this will be a first today. He's actually asking me what do I drink. Cider. So ladies and gents, come on, put your hands together for our raft coming through. A big round of applause. Well done. Well done. And you have now completed. Well done. I believe you've got some smoke, I believe. Let it go. Well done.
I think all their smoke went off in Felinheli. They used it all.
Well done to our raft there. Number 1, Haunted House. Ooh.
Oh, we got another one. It's not Spencer's.
So we'll have a few minutes now between the rafts. As you can see, that the idea is for the... Come on, Tidama! Tidama!
I think that's Spencer's. What are they doing? They need to stay straight.
11 coming in now. Raft number 11, 1-1, Windmill is well.
Oh, what are they doing? This is what they did last year.
Okay, now...
I can actually hear Luke.
So come on then, Tidama, come on, give it a leg support, come on! Come on! You can do better than that! Come on! And please don't forget, once the rafts are in, we've got the entertainment with the brass band, and of course Batala as well. We will have the stalls here, and of course we do have our presentation. So here we go. Anglesey Rebels number 13 coming in now, and then you can see the other rafts just appearing now. And I'll let Mr. David Hardy have a minute and hand over.
I have got no idea I don't know if any of Spencer's. We are not. I thought it was them, but it's not.
I know it is then, because the scaffolding and the seats. Put their feet up, haven't they? About the one being dragged to the other side.
So here we go, we've got the rafts coming through now quite quickly. This is the other one. Number 13 coming in now, guys. Confirmation please. Is this Anglesey Rebels coming in? Number 11, is it? Just go past, pardon?
So Spencer's have got...
Oh, they got the wrong numbers. Okay, no wonder. No problem.
Number 13, are they? No, it's not. It's number 12. I just love confusion. What asking price did you want? Oh, sorry. Ah, right. Okay. Number 13, get a big cheer! Come on! Oh, they're all starting to come in now. Where are these guys going? Go out again. Who's that number there now that's coming in? They should be going the other way.
No, that is them.
Yeah. They're going to Bangor, obviously. The guys on the other side. Ta! See you in Bangor.
They're trying to do a shortcut, but shortcuts lead to long delays.
Captain Morgan, are they surgery from Menai? Captain Morgan. Party, Captain Morgan. Die, please die, Captain Morgan. Obviously some are taking the outside lane. Others are just coming in short. The lager's getting better with every pint.
Come on, Spencer!
Especially when you get it for free. Yeah, just steer him around that moorings boat, please. Captain Morgan, I just got back from St. Lucia. Lots of Captain Morgan there. Much better with Sprite. Oh, that looks like hard work. Look at who are the guys on the outside there. Which number are they? Anyone tell me? Huh? Sailability, is it? On the left?
Come on, Spencer!
Oh my God, these guys. Come on, Captain Morgan. Dach chi'n strygol yna. Dowch. Mae yna rieni fan hyn. Mae yna mam a dad eisiau chi wneud o hyn.
They're really struggling to move now.
Oh, it's looking like hard work here.
They're literally not moving.
Oh, pulling back. They're also going for the tight turn here.
Go on, boys!
Captain Morgan, surgery from Menai. They should all be fit, non-alcoholics. No, you want to go right now. My left, your right. Just turn round. Go back towards the bridge. Give him a big shout. Come on! Come on! Left hand down. Straight on now. Die down. They obviously wanted to go to Menai.
Well, last year they decided to try and cut across there, and they moved
The race.
four of them on the far side. And then
I just had a kiss from a nice young lady now.
come on, Spencer!
Oh God, the husband's over there. Oh dear, hold on. I didn't do anything. No, you're not having a cigar. Yeah, oh wow, we got another one here. Have we got a tight race here? Oh, they finished obviously. So you got number 6 coming through there, have we? Who's number 6? What number is that one? So we've got 2, Captain Morgan. C stability. C stability, Conley Centre. The charity provides access to outdoors and disabled people, family and carers. Well done. And then we got number 4.
1, 2.
Don't hurry up, you get a pay reduction.
Oh, number 4 is the Spencer Group. They're the ones who work on the Menai suspension bridge. They're the ones responsible for those traffic lights. Give a big cheer. Only joking, guys. Only joking. Well done. They deal in as a second year for doing the suspension. They reckon they're going to be there for another 2-3 years. I asked them to be quicker. They're running funds for the Heritage Museum, and one of the members on the raft can't swim.
Come on, Spencer!
Never mind. And who have you got coming in here now?
Where are you going?
I think the race is finished though. They're just racing to the slip now. Sailability here as well.
Oh my God! Language! Is that all of them? Is that...
Have we seen the floaters yet?
That's just too...
Oh, see, they call the floaters.
Oh no, they've done it to get the raft out. I think it might be.
Hey, am I off? Yeah.
So coming in with a right boat is the floaters, which is half sunk.
Oh!
So it'll be renamed for next season.
Sunkers.
Titanic or Submarine. That's another one dead. That's another seagull gone. Another duck. So, what are we looking at? Number 1, hen bass. 2, windy millers. Come on, right hand down, come on, way out, whoa! Chwarae teg. Fyny fan hyn rwan i gael diod anrhyn, te neu coffi, neu cwrw, neu fi ddim o'n siat. Got the werewolf here. Brilliant. Enjoy it? Absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's always been said. And in Welsh? Warm. And then
I like ample beer. I don't like warm beer.
Bangor.